Third time, guys, it is not working well. I have to close it again and start that again. But will not quit. Okay, so what I was saying, what was I saying really? So in this case, we need to hop in over here. So in this is how we would approach this. Let's close this. And what it's trying to say is, if there's a form data, at the end we will do that. So let's try to see what it's trying to do here. We'll first create these packets, and for each item in self-data.formdata, that is what we are anyways doing in here. If item not enabled, then we set the value. So data dot item, not yet. So if not, we continue. Else, okay, we need to check a few things, which is if item dot name dot starts with, let's do file at the rate. We can do add that as well, that is not an issue. So this will, okay, what is it doing? File path is, yep, that. The file object will be the actual read file from the path of that, reading as it a binary, and then files of item dot name will be path, file path, file object, and application octet string. Maybe that is also, we can configure how we want to do it, but for now let's see what GPT does and let's iterate on that. Yeah, this is as expected. This is what we are trying to set. Correct. And in the end, after the for loop has completed, that is, we have already passed for all the key value pairs, we set the data as data. Okay, now that is a little suspicious. What is tuples to dict? Oh, okay, so tuples to dict is basically, let's see, it takes in a tuple, and for each key and value in tuple dict, it does the same thing, right? Oh, okay, but it does it in a different way. Interesting. But the tuples to dict appends the value to a list if there are multiple keys. So this will break that. Right. Let's give it this one. This is internal, right? Yeah, okay, it is internal and not from external dependency. So let's paste in here. So we need to append it into a value, into a list and not do that right here. No, I meant here. Bro, you don't get the context. You don't get the context. Yeah, now you get it. Okay. So instead of, okay, we can't do a default dict because we don't know the type of that. That is interesting. So if, so in the else case, if item dot name in data, okay, I'm still not sure of this. Why do we need that? This is right for sure, but else I think I know what I can do here, which is to just to do it in this way, right? No, that this is wrong, right? Because we appended the value directly here and not do that way. So what did we do wrong? So for key value in tuple list, Right, should be value. Should be value. Right. So all these effects fine this way. Yeah, that is right. How these effects are this. Yeah, that doesn't make any difference there. Yeah, so originally it was doing multiple values of the same key into list that I did. But if I remove that tuple to date, then it do keep tuples to date or not. It's not to keep doing it. I mean, okay. Oh, okay. That way we don't have to worry about that. That makes sense. Okay. Uh, yeah, let's keep that. Maybe that won't do any harm to us. So in the end, instead of form data, we'll just do, I guess, data for HTTP args of data. Yes, I think that enabled. I guess that should be it. Let's quickly check the changes. So how do we check these changes now? So first, let's go where we wanted to go. Open up I think what we need to do here is simple to click install this, correct? And then use posting because that will use that posting itself, if I am right. Now let us start the servers. Okay, now we need to paste few more things. So we'll go with the simple one, which was adding upload file plus some metadata there. So we'll grab this one and go into code playground post Python posting. Here we had app.py. Sorry. And I think that is it. Maybe we can add some more data that is size. You can get that maybe. let us then do activate posting, then unicorn. Okay. Actually, let's open team-ups up quickly. Unicorn. Let's do a call. We already have a call here. Okay. Hmm. 8001 and slash net. What am I missing? It is a call. That exists, right? That can't be the issue. That exists. It is in. Oh, sorry.